in continuation with the previous topic, water soluble vitamin, we'll continue the remaining 4 more water soluble vitamins. So to have a glimpse, previous class or previous session, we have studied about thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, folic acid. In continuation with these water soluble vitamins, today we are going to see vitamin B12, pantothenic acid, biotin, and vitamin C. So vitamin B12 is also called the cyanocobalamin or cobalamin. So these are the other names of vitamin B12. So the most important function of this vitamin B12, which includes it acts as cofactor for enzymes involved in amino acid metabolism along with folic acid. So we have already studied folic acid is one of the water soluble vitamins. So along with folic acid, this vitamin B12 also will be involved in the metabolism of amino acid, fatty acids, and also this is required for new cell synthesis, normal blood formation, and also for the normal neurological functions. So all these are the major functions of your vitamin B12. Apart from that, it also is required for the general functioning of the biological system. The deficiency disease, which includes the smoothness of tongue and also gastrointestinal disturbances and also the nervous symptoms. So nervous symptoms is the major symptom or the deficiency symptom for almost most of the water soluble vitamins. The sources of vitamin B12, which includes the lettuce, cauliflower, vegetables, and fruits. And most of the vegetables and fruits which will have vitamin B12. And also the meat, liver, eggs, and all, you will be able to see some good amount of vitamin B12. When compared to the vegetarian source, the non-vegetarian source will have quite rich amount of vitamin B12. The next is pantothenic acid, which you don't have exact other name. It is called as pantothenate. And the most important function is it acts as components of coenzyme A. And also it is essential for the metabolism of carbohydrate, protein, and fat. So all these are the most important biological function of pantothenic acid. And it also acts as cofactor for elongation of fatty acid. So the short chain fatty acid can be elongated to long chain fatty acid with the help of pantothenic acid itself. And the deficiency diseases or disorders, which includes weakness, gastrointestinal disturbances, nervous symptoms, fatigue, sleep disturbances, restlessness, and nausea. So all these are the deficiency symptoms of pantothenic acid. The next is, before going to that, the pantothenic acid also will be present in most of the fruits, vegetables, meat, liver, and all. Right, it will be common in all the fruits and vegetables also. Next is the biotin. So biotin, which usually will be present in eggs and other components, especially when in the green leaves. So when you take biotin, means biotin richest food along with raw egg, not boiled egg, raw egg. The raw egg has something called avidin protein that will prevent the absorption of biotin in the gut. So always you cannot have a raw egg along with greens and other items which has biotin as the source. So if biotin absorption will be blocked by means of raw egg. In case of the egg is completely cooked and boiled, biotin absorption will not be interfered by taking the egg. And biotin is also called as sometimes vitamin BH, and this will be the cofactor in carbohydrate, fatty acid, amino acid metabolism. So it is cofactor for the enzymes involved in carbohydrate, fatty acid, and amino acid metabolism. And the deficiency disorder, which includes dermatitis, hair loss, conjunctivitis, and neurological symptoms. So the deficiency of biotin, which includes dermatitis, hair loss, conjunctivitis, neurological symptoms. That is why if the person is suffering from biotin deficiency, they may undergo severe hair loss, and the nails also will start breaking easily for them. That is also one of the biotin deficiency. If we take enough amount of biotin in the body, the hair and the nails will grow properly, and the strength of the nail and hair will be conferred with the help of biotin. And the last water soluble vitamin, which includes vitamin C. This vitamin C is also called as ascorbic acid. So most of the time, this ascorbic acid or vitamin C, you will be able to see in the citrus fruit. Whichever the fruit which is sour, you will be able to find vitamin C, which includes amla, lemon, orange, citric acid fruits, and some amount of pineapple. All these are the richest source of vitamin C. And this vitamin C's major function is it acts as antioxidant, and also it is used for the synthesis of collagen, carpetine, amino acids, and hormones. And also it confers immune function, and also it enhances absorption of non-heme iron, especially from plant foods. So these are all the major functions of your vitamin C. So the deficiency of vitamin C leads to scurvy, everybody knows. That is because of bleeding gums, swelling, soreness, stiffness of joints, lower extremes, bleeding under the skin and in the deep tissue, slow wound healing, anemia. These are all the deficiency diseases or symptoms because of ascorbic acid. So which means that bleeding gums, it is because of vitamin C deficiency. Collagen, if it is synthesized properly with the help of vitamin C, bleeding gums will not happen. Bleeding under the skin also will not happen. Bleeding under the deep tissue also will not happen. So this is one of the major deficiency symptoms with respect to your vitamin C. So today we have seen under the water soluble vitamin, vitamin B12, pantothenic acid, biotin, and vitamin C. With this, we are completing water soluble vitamin. In the next session, we'll start with liquid soluble vitamin. Thank you.